Hi guys, Remy here with another video. Today, I'll be talking about my Android home screen setup on my Samsung Galaxy S9. My current home screen setup is all about a calm nature look. These are all simple steps to achieve the setup, so let's get started. First, let's go to the Playstore to download some apps. The first app is Nova Launcher. You can either use the free or pro version, so this app is a launcher that lets you customize your phone better than the built-in one. The next app to download is KWGT Widget app. This app enables you to add widgets on your home screen to further improve the look, such as a clock, date, time, and many more. I chose KWGT as it gives an array of designs for the free version. The next app is Andromeda for KWGT. The app has tons of widget designs made for KWGT, which is our widget of choice. Next is Flight Minimalist Icons, which is our icon design of choice since it gives a clean white minimalist feel that complements our calm nature theme. Lastly, Line's free icon pack. We will not be using their icons, but instead we will use their free wallpapers as they provide high-quality nature wallpapers that fits the nature theme. Now we're ready to set up our home screen. First, we will enable Nova Launcher to be our main launcher. Afterwards, let's customize the Nova Launcher. Let's set the icons to 120%, then use the flight icon pack that we downloaded. After enabling our icons, we now go to the Line's Icon app to use their free wallpapers. My personal favorite is the Line's 5. Next, we will choose our widget in the Andromeda app. There are tons of widgets out there. My choice of widget is the AK12 of Andromeda widget. You can tweak the settings and resize to fit your taste. Afterwards, we are done with setting up our home screen. Here are my favorite nature setups. Lastly, don't forget to disable notification bar for a cleaner, more immersive display. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my Android home screen setup featuring a calm nature look. Please like and subscribe for more contents like this, and if you have any comments, suggestions, or another home screen setup requests, please feel free to comment. Thank you guys, and again, this is Remy posting about lifestyle, drawing, productivity, and tech. See you soon!